Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a quick little tutorial on our new app on our website, which is scheduling your service appointment. So we're trying to make things easier and more convenient for our customers. I know when you call in, we are so busy this time of year in our service department that it may take a little while for our advisors to be able to call you back just to make an appointment. So we designed this app that's on our website. It says schedule service appointment. You basically click on it. It's going to take you to the little page here on the desktop where you can schedule an appointment. Now, there's a lot of people this time of year that want to do your annual warranty forever maintenance. You can schedule that whether you have a fifth wheel, a travel trailer, or if you have a motorized. Those are waiter type appointments, so you can drop that off and wait. Now, if you have other maintenance that needs to be addressed, warranty issues, things like that, you're going to want to choose the RV drop off. So this basically gives you a choice of the days and the times. So I'm just going to choose a random one here. Like right now on April 14th, we do have some time slots available for you to drop off. You're going to choose your time slot, put in your information, and then very important to put all of your issues in the notes. That way, when our service advisors get this appointment, they can address everything. They'll get it printed out for you. You will get a reminder sent to you, so we'll follow up with the reminder text or email that says, hey, you booked your service appointment, it's this date, that type of thing. So we're trying to make things easier, more convenient for you, and get you in and out as quick as possible. So don't forget, you can do that. Schedule service appointment on our website. It's either on the desktop or mobile, and then you can go through and choose, if you want to get dewinterized and get all of that stuff done. We do have the pricing in there too. So go ahead and check that out. If you have questions, you can sure message me here on Facebook or give us a call. Thanks.